In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit a line and an edge, and maybe be a little bit precise where you place your lines at, or your points or your edges. Okay, we're going to right click off the pattern, and I'm going to activate the grid. This is going to allow snapping. I'm going to right click again and to show line length. Alright, you can see my pattern here, and I got a line right here in the red, and I'm going to bring this in, and I'm going to use this as a reference right here. Okay, because the bottom of this point in this whole square pattern and up to the next point is 50 units. Okay, it says 50.0, 50 millimeters, and from the next point up, to the next one over here, up here, will be another 50. So with that said, what we're going to do is we're going to select this point, hold the left mouse button down, and start to drag up. And when I do, I'll hold the shift key down to follow in that direction. Alright, and it said, look below my cursor, it says 10, then it says 20. Okay, now I'm going to bring it back down, and what I'm going to do is I'm keeping the left mouse held down, and I'm keeping the shift key held down, and I'm going to right click. Okay, at this point I can move everything around and let go of all the hotkeys. Now this right here, 10 millimeters, shows that I went up 10 millimeters. It shows in this one right here. Alright, and I started off with 50, which is this bottom one right here. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding 10 to 50, which would make it 60, which you see in this one here. So if I just press OK, what's going to happen, this line is going to be 60 millimeters long. Alright, press OK, and you can see now the line is 50 millimeters long. Let's Control Z that. So I'm going to grab here, hold the shift key, and drag up. Let's go to 20. Then we're going to right click. Alright, you could always remember this. If I automatically press OK, I'm always going to get this value right here in the middle, which is 70. Alright, now I want to go 50 more units up, okay, because I want to, 50 and 50 will make 100. Okay, I'm going to add this to the bottom value. And press OK. And then we get something like that. Now we have 100 millimeters. Control Z that. Now I'm going to bring this to the side, okay. Now this is going to move it in that direction at that length, okay, not the length of the line, but the length going in this direction. So if I grab here and hold the Alt key and start pulling in that direction, we're at 10, and I right click, then I set this one to 50, it'll jump all the way to the other side. Alright, now the line is not 50, but it's went 50 millimeters to the right. Control Z that. Alright, now if we want to move an edge, we can select an edge here. And what I'll do is I'll move it just a little bit and hold the shift key, and I'll move it in that direction. Alright, if you look at the very top, it said I went over 20 units. I went over 30 units. Look at the very top. I'm going to right click. Alright. Now if I press OK, it's going to be right where it's standing at right there. Okay, simple enough there. Control Z that. I want to bring it over to the other grid, so I'll just select it here, hold the shift key, right click, and we'll make this 50 right here. Alright, even if I got close, I Control Z that. I'm going to drag it. I can drag it way over there, and I'll right click, and I'm just going to put 50 in here, and it's going to snap it right there. And with the active grid, if you decide that you want to edit a line and not type in all the values, you can manually just select here and pull your line up. As you can see, when I let go, I got different values. You can even do it to the right. Control Z that. Now if we don't want the snapping, what we'll have to do is we will have to right click off the pattern and uncheck the activate grid. Then we will lose the snapping. I'm going to freehand it like that. But